There's nothing I like more than sweets with coffee. I am making what I'm calling high coffee. No, people always have high tea. My idea is to take some of my favorite cakes. I actually chose one from each chapter of Layer Up, and I'm going to make cakes that look like little sandwiches, and then we're gonna eat them with coffee. How do you feel about that?
I feel fantastic about it.
So my first chapter is Bountiful Breakfast. So from that, I chose cinnamon bun. So this is a vanilla spice cake that I'm going to level and layer. Second chapter, wow. Chocolate, oh. I'm not gonna go in order because I wanna cut all the vanilla cakes first. So now I have a lime. This is one of my favorites. This one is cake fetty, so vanilla cake with colorful sprinkles. Birthday!
Absolute birthday.
Yep. All right. I love this cake. This is chocolate chip. See how chocolate chippy this
now
is?
We're dense.
Everything feels better with a clean knife. And this cake is marble. Finally, chocolate. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need this for 2 cakes. All right, simple syrup time. Spice cake, chocolate chip. I'm skipping lime. I'll get back to you. Cake fetty, marble. Oh, I need more simple syrup. Yes,
You gonna make it?
no, I have it. Normally, I make a lime simple syrup, but this time I'm gonna add fresh lime juice to the simple syrup. That lime was quite juicy. Oh, it smells so limey. That's what I wanted. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna simple syrup our lime scrap, because that's how much I like us. Look at this, just for us. Look at us, living. So now I need to flavor some buttercream, a whole bunch of different flavors to go with each of the cakes. So I need lime buttercream for the lime cake. We have lime buttercream. Thank you, lime curd. Now I'm gonna make caramel buttercream. See, you could tell it's a bit cold in here because see how like thick this is? Ooh. Have you ever had this?
The first time I had it was
here?
With you.
I'm glad I could make that introduction.
Yeah.
So, cookie butter buttercream. Yes. Delicious. Huh. Huh. I don't know why I'm making those sounds. I'm going to do yellow and pink, because I like that. There we go. Now I'm going to fill these cakes. So this is the cinnamon bun cake, and I'm filling it with cream cheese frosting. Next is, wait, which one's cookie butter? This one's caramel. No, this is peanut butter frosting. Oh my goodness.
They look very similar.
This one is cookie butter. And here, lime. All right, colored buttercream. Oh, this smells so good. Almost missed. Now I'm gonna switch from chocolate hazelnut to chocolate peanut butter. Which nut does chocolate like more? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna clean up and act like I never made a mess. No one saw a thing. Now my cakes have been filled, chilled. It's time to cut them very precisely. Some of them I'm gonna measure and cut, and then some of them I'm going to use shaped cutters. Okay, so now I'm gonna garnish, I don't need glasses. I'm gonna garnish all these cakes with an element that is present in the cake as they are in layer up. So chocolate peanut butter has peanut butter cups, but I got the thin ones because this is high coffee, right? And I feel like this is bougier. Chocolate chip. Part of me wonders if they should be upright. Is that too weird? Them to appear? Will the chocolate chip cookie sit on top if I do this? So this is my caramel cone cake. So I wanted to have some cone. It's gonna crumble. I'm still gonna try. Wait. Okay.
Pretty close.
It's like a tiny cone. This sandwich, I feel, is for the children at the party. So for them, I have Rice Krispies that I cut into smaller squares. And now I'm going to cut them into a flower shape. Add a floral center. What do you think about that?
Ooh.
So the last one is the cinnamon bun. This is cinnamon sugar. And I was thinking that I could dip.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that. Just a little. Just a little bit. Okay. There we go. Oh. There's a crumbling.
Yeah. We got one.
I got one.
You got the nicer side.
Nothing says holiday like standing at a table full of sweets by yourself. You know what I mean? I'm going to go sit down, pour myself a coffee, and I'm gonna enjoy these treats. And I'm gonna stir my coffee with my fork, because it's that kind of holiday. And I'll see you all next week.